So here comes a MIUI modded ROM for you, MIUI 12, MIUI mode by TechCurrent, and here this is actually based on MIUI 12.0.2 for Redmi Note 8 users. But the thing is, it has some new extra things added there, some customizations did, not actually customizations in the terms of features, but the thing is some new things like in the stock MIUI 12.0.2, you only get those old volume panels, old power menu, and everything was old. Now these things are updated, the launcher is updated, and some things. We are talking about the MIUI 12 v12.0.5 stable, and this is actually the version is changed 12.0.5. It's not by default. The based on Android version 10, some of the users will definitely love this. I am one of them. I don't use Android 11 in Redmi Note 8 because of the lags, but here we have no lags. This is Android 10. It's quite good, it's quite fast, no bugs, nothing. This is one of the must try MIUI based ROM for you. If you are a MIUI lover, want to try MIUI things on a device, this might be a very good choice for you. We're going to talk about some things about this, like these things which are added. As you can see, this new navigation bar pill, which was not added previously, it is not available by default in MIUI 12.0.2 stable version. If you don't know, it's not there. It doesn't have this control center blur, the navigation bar pill. This is added. This is the first thing which is added, and like that there are a lot of things actually which are added here, which you can find by installing this build on your device. Link for this build is in the description. Everything else is just fine. Always on display is also added. If you don't know, you can also enable, enable and you can use always on display on your device. If you are a Redmi Note 8 user, this might be a very good thing, but the thing is, it's not recommended. If you are a user of Redmi Note 8, it's just for time pass, just for show off, to show off something, but it's not recommended to use because it will harm your display. But the feature is added there, so it's a very good thing to show off, but don't use it, of course. Now moving on to some other things, the power menu seems to be very different one. It's not the default one. It's not from MIUI 12.5. It was very old power menu which I reviewed some time ago. That was approximately 6 months, more than 6 months ago. It was like MIUI 13 power menu, and you can get this MIUI 13 power menu by installing this operating system, installing this ROM on your device. A very good thing to try out. You can try out this thing by installing this thing, but things are same, almost same, no extra features. I again mentioning you, it is not a feature based custom ROM. Some things, some modifications are done in the background. As you can see, it also comes with new volume panel from MIUI 12.5 because it's MIUI 12, but MIUI 12.5 goodies and some extra things are added here. That's why I said you this is a modded MIUI 12 based custom ROM for you, one of the most try ROMs for you. We also have this refresh rate related settings. Of course, it will not work on your devices. Redmi Note 8 doesn't support more than 60 Hz, but the features are present for you like anti-flicker mode and some other features which you can explore after installing this thing on your device. As I previously mentioned, control center blur is added there. The navigation bar pill is added here. I am not able to show you all the things, all the changes which we did, but things are same. The default fonts are changed. If you don't know, default fonts are also changed. These are not from the stock EU ROM or China. This is actually from China one, but the thing is it was not available by default. Safety status is passing, but if it is not passing for you, as I got some issues there, you need to use Magisk module for that. If you don't know how to use that Magisk module, I made a dedicated video on that one too. Also comes with the latest launcher where we have arrange items in recents and all the same features, horizontal recents, etc. App vault, everything is just looking quite good. One of the most try things on your device, one of the most try OS on your device. If you want to install this thing on your device, as I previously mentioned, the link is in the description. This is all from today's short and simple video related this latest MIUI 12 modded ROM for your device. If you're a Redmi Note 8 user, install this thing. Everything else is same, no bugs I found till now. This is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.